Oh, that's right. I forgot all about this. This car right here, right behind the Citron Yellow 71 Challenger RT, this is a 69 Z28 Camaro. Of course, I forgot an entire row of Mopars. I mean, not the PT Cruiser, but unfortunately there's a pond in the way. But I'm trying to get around this Porsche and show you. Here's like a 64 Chrysler. But over here, right there, is a 1970 Dodge Challenger convertible. I'll show pictures of it when this used to be the end of the row. Those two got added recently, but it literally broke in half when he was moving it. So we just put it right back down where it was. Then over here is the Citron Yellow 71 Challenger RT, which is near and dear to my heart. Trying to get to it though might kill me. Okay. We're gonna try to go around. Oh, that's into the boot. Oh, now I have wet socks. Oh, I didn't realize there's a 71 Sport Fury over here next to the 71 Challenger. Oh, and there's a 70 Coronet two-door over there. But yeah, right there is a 71 Challenger RT 3-3 car in Citron Yellow, just like the other two that I've been involved with recently. The one at Knoll Automotive that he rescued in 2021, and then the one that my friend Mitch rescued this year that I did a video on earlier. This is also a Citron Yellow 71 Challenger RT. When I was here last time, none of these weeds were here. So I'm going to try and work my way through and not kill myself with wet socks. All right, there we go. I mean, you don't get very far, but I needed to get some pictures of this front end for the restoration of my 71. Oh man, this thing is rough. I forgot how rough it is. All right, let's see if I can get over here. Oh wow. Poor car. And someone, I guess, stole the taillights out of it, because I could have sworn they were in the car when I was here last. And you know me and 71 Challengers, especially 71 Challenger RTs, which ironically enough, there's two of them in here. And I forgot all about that. That's like I forget what year, but it's an Imperial limousine. Or it's something of that extent. You can see it, it's got the extra doors and it's extended. It's been there a long time. Just like this one. Man, I wish I could save this one. But look, the door has been out so long that the tree's grown up around the door. Oh, that sucks. Looks like the dash is still in. I wonder if the VIN's still there anymore. But yeah, now I gotta get back out. Okay, so that on the bottom isn't a Sport Fury, like GT or anything like that. It's a Sport Suburban Wagon on the bottom, and then on top is like an Imperial limousine. You can't really see it from here, but it's extended. It's got 4 full-size doors, and then it even extends past that. And then here is 2 Chryslers. I think it's a 300 and then something else. Someone messaging me. Then there's the 70 Coronet 440 and like a 69 Barracuda. Then let's walk around here. I'm not getting stabbed by a stick in the eye. All right. We got some Chevys. We got a Monte Carlo. We got a Grand Am. Very few people know that there was a Grand Am before the modern incarnation. And this is a 6.5 liter Grand Am. See the badge right there. And I remember, ironically enough, that the funniest piece of hate mail I got when writing for Hot Rod was a guy who didn't know that 7-liter Fords were called 7-liter Fords by Ford. It wasn't just me being a millennial, as he said. Then we got a Mustang Fastback and a Notchback. And then... oh, and the mud again. Okay. Walk around this side. Oh, there's a 69 Barracuda Fastback next to the 66 Mustang Fastback. Okay. There's that A100 van from earlier when we walked over there. Got a Riviera. I think another Riviera underneath it. Oh, that's right. This was a 68 442 that I think was crushed by a tree. But that's the remains of the fender right there. And that's our automatic car. And then there's the 69 Barracuda. And then there's the 300s. Oh, that's right. I forgot all about this. This car right here, right behind the Citron Yellow 71 Challenger RT, this is a 69 Z28 Camaro. We my friend Doug went over there and documented the fender tag, and it is a real Z. And we talked to the owner, and yeah, this is 69 Z28 number 3 we have found in the yard. So we thought that was pretty cool. And then over there, you can't really see it, but there's the Citron Yellow 71 Challenger RT. And I'm not going over there because it's all a pond. But yeah, some cool stuff. I knew people would want to get the picture of the cowl tag from that Z28. And there it is, X33 69 Z28 Camaro. I believe this was in a rollover accident. It was bad. I don't remember seeing it the time I was there previously, but it could have been buried. That whole area had changed quite a bit in the 10 years since I'd been there. You can see that these are pictures from 2014, that there's no trees, there's no big bushes. I mean, there's just a lot of, green foliage, but the actual tree row here, you can see there's no cars next to the convertible. So that's either good or bad. I'm not quite sure. I just know that the tree growth and the bushes have definitely made it far more difficult to get clear and concise pictures of the vehicles that are in this area. Especially since I walked right by this entire row of cars the first time, thinking that they were mostly not important. It wasn't until further inspection that I saw that the trees had grown up around the 71 Challenger RT 3D3 car and all those C-body and A-body Mopars, which is really sad. You can see here between the three instances how much growth had really occurred in 10 years, and it really blew my mind. And I was fortunate enough, I got a really nice drone shot of this collection of cars right at the tail end, because right after this, the sun was setting. You can see that there's long shadows being cast all over these cars, and the timing just happened to work out that I got this and the next video for next week. Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed that video from my friend's yard in Michigan. It was really crazy that there's another 69 Z28 Camaro crushed in that yard. And I think there was a third one, but I never was able to film it. And the 71 Challenger RT 3D3 Citron Yellow, that's now the third one I've documented in just a few months. Or years, I guess I should say. It's been a long day. I'm out here at the Illinois Railway Museum at their Transportation Festival, and just went for a ride on the steam train, and then they got electrics and they got diesels, which if you follow my social media was a lot of fun. But from here, I am leaving for Roadkill Nights on Thursday, and from there I have a wedding, and then I'll be home. So I think that we have an update. We have one more video from the junkyard. Then I have a video from Todd's yard, which I did earlier in the year. And then we got, I think, a few Hemi cars and some other cool stuff. But let me know what you think. show you some other cool stuff. I'm going to be out and about, and also the Dubuque Mopar show is coming up, so I'll be here. Of course, new videos drop every Monday, and please share and subscribe because that helps me get more views because I need them. But if you have any comments or questions, leave them below. Otherwise, everyone stay safe, and I'll see you all soon.